Alright, now here's where things start getting interesting. Here we have a Hoover Widepath Tempo. I bought this at Goodwill about 3 years ago for $15, and there's nothing wrong with it. It just needed a good cleaning, so that's what I did. I didn't replace the belt at all, but I did last week, and yeah, it's been perfect this entire time. And you can see my face, which I'll do a full face reveal at 100 subscribers, so keep in mind. So, bottom up, we got the brush roll, and I know it's tangled. I don't use it that much, so it's not something I'm all that worried about. And this one, you can't see it, but it was made in 2012. I think they still made the old style tempos back then, because yeah, that's when I think it's 2012 either way. This was made by TTI. It's got 5 height adjustments: bare floor, low carpet, don't use this on bare floors, medium high, high carpet, stair cleaning handle, got headlight right here, and then we have the bag. It's a Hoover Y bag. Yeah, I'm not gonna run this super long because it gets really hot. So I'll do like a few passes on it just to show how it works. And we got your pre-motor filter here, which is a cartridge. Yeah, it's right there, and I really need to clean it. I'm so sorry. But yeah, that just sits back on there like that. And then we got our post-motor filter, which is in the bag door for some reason, and I cleaned that out too. No, I didn't. I lied. I'm sorry. I haven't cleaned this out in a long time. So, yeah. Here's your carry handle. On the side, we got your 2 extension wands, and which makes up for the crappy hose. And the hose is pretty similar to the Par for Helix, because you don't get that much. This is all you get. Not that much at all. So, that just sits back up in there like that. Then here, oh god, where did it go? Oh, it's right here. But yeah, here is your dusting brush. And this was before they switched to black, I guess. And here's your crevice tool. That was great. This is like tends to come off all the time. Does it? Hold on, is that peg there for? But yeah, this crevice tool's useless, or kind of useless. Depends on what you're using it for. If it's for like open corners in the wall, like, or the radiator, then this would be fine. But if you're in the couch, then it's not fine. Then we got your upholstery tool, which is just sits up here. Yeah, when I got this was definitely well taken care of, but yeah, it was well taken care of. It just needed a cleaning. It's not that it was in bad condition or anything. Yeah, I don't know what this is. No idea what this is. We got your power switch, which for some reason it flickers whenever I do that, like electrical, whatever. And here's your hand release, which works fine. Yeah, I think I'm gonna turn this on. Not run it for very long, but not run it for very long. Okay, this is gonna piss me off. Alright, yeah, so this is a 2012 Hoover Tempo Widepath. So here we go. So yeah, the brush roll is kind of rough, but yeah, it works. So yeah, this is my Hoover Tempo, and see y'all in the next one. Peace.